Great evening folks, in Crypto Vault. Today we will talk about UNISWAP. UNISWAP cost today is $4.85 United States dollars, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $146.033086 United States dollars. We update our unit to United States dollars cost progressively. UNISWAP is down 7.54% as of now. The ongoing CoinMarketCap positioning is number 24, with a live market cap of $3,484,183,503 United States dollars. It has a coursing supply of 718,821,440 unicoins and a maximum supply of 100,000,000,000 unicoins. UNISWAP cost basically is somewhere around 8% in the present exchanging meeting. The forceful downtrend is a continuation of the past in every practical sense, barely any days, long stretches of time that UNISWAP has been on a negative pattern, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Starting from the beginning of 2022, UNISWAP has in every way that really matters, lost 70% of its worth, in opposition to prevalent thinking. This is in accordance with most cryptographic forms of money, whose costs have dropped by more than 40% this year. Nonetheless, dissimilar to other digital currencies, UNISWAP essentially is one of the most famous stages and cryptographic forms of money and presence, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. Today, it positions as the 24th biggest cryptographic money, with a market capitalization of $3.5 billion. UNISWAP is additionally one of the biggest mechanized market creators and a trailblazer in the business. Automakers can offer digital money devotees sort of numerous matches to exchange. The costs of these matches are set utilizing exceptional computations. When a cost is set, the exchanges in a real sense are executed utilizing savvy contracts. This is accomplished using liquidity pools, where the assets are drawn during the exchanging system a major way. UNISWAP is additionally both a decentralized trade and a cryptographic money. The decentralization trade of UNISWAP permits them to utilize shared techniques to trade digital currency matches, without the utilization of a unified framework. The UNISWAP overseeing exceptionally token is its cryptographic money. The digital money's prosperity is generally attached to the stage's prosperity, and since the send-off of the venture, cost gains have been part of the way determined by the development of the UNISWAP stage. What is UNISWAP unit? UNISWAP is a famous decentralized exchanging convention, known for its job in working with mechanized exchanging of genuinely decentralized finance (DeFi) tokens. An illustration of a computerized market creator, UNISWAP sent off in November 2018, yet has acquired extensive fame this year on account of the DeFi peculiarity and related flood in symbolic exchanging. UNISWAP intends to generally keep token exchanging robotized and totally especially open to any individual who holds tokens, while working on the productivity of exchanging versus that on customary trades. UNISWAP makes commonly more proficiency by addressing liquidity issues with computerized arrangements, staying away from the issues which tormented the principal really decentralized trades. In September 2020, UNISWAP went above and beyond by making and granting its genuinely own administration token, UNI, to essentially past clients of the convention. This by and large added both benefit potential and the capacity for clients to shape its future. UNISWAP basically has shown exceptionally kind of solid potential of late, and this could be decent and open door to in a real sense dive right in and generally contribute. We anticipate future UNISWAP cost expectations. UNI conjecture, by applying profound man-made consciousness helped specialized analysis on the truly past value information of UNISWAP. We are in a real sense the best to generally gather most extreme authentic information for the unicoin which incorporate different boundaries like kind of past value, UNISWAP market cap, UNISWAP volume and hardly any more, which is very critical. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital currencies and need great profit from your ventures, try to peruse our forecasts. UNISWAP price prediction May 2022. The cost of UNISWAP really is by and large anticipated to reach at a genuinely least worth of $4.44 in 2022. The unit cost could explicitly arrive at a truly most extreme worth of $5.05 with a typical exchanging cost of $4.90 all through 2022. UNISWAP price prediction June 2022. The cost of UNISWAP is truly anticipated to for the most part reach at a truly least worth of $4.87 in 2022, which basically is genuinely huge. The unit cost could arrive at a by and large greatest worth of $5.29 with a typical exchanging cost of $5.05 all through 2022. UNISWAP price prediction July 2022. The cost of UNISWAP especially is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $5.07 in 2022. The unit cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $5.49 with the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging cost of $5.25 all through 2022. UNISWAP, unit, price forecast August 2022. For August the cost of UNISWAP is anticipated to by and large arrive at a typical month-to-month furthest reaches of $5.41, while the coin will exchange between a limit of $5.76 and a kind of least of $5.18. UNISWAP, unit, price prediction September 2022. As for September 2022, UNISWAP cost is estimate to in a real sense arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $5.33. The unit cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $5.97 with a typical estimate cost of $5.52. UNISWAP, unit, price prediction October 2022. As for October 2022, UNISWAP cost is gauged to arrive at a particularly the least conceivable degree of $5.51. The unit cost could by and large arrive at a most extreme truly conceivable degree of $6.19 with a typical gauge cost of $5.74. UNISWAP, unit, price forecast November 2022. For November the cost of UNISWAP is anticipated to arrive at an especially normal month-to-month furthest reaches of $5.86, while the coin will exchange between a very limit of $6.48 and at least $5.67, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. UNISWAP, unit, price forecast December 2022. For December the cost of UNISWAP explicitly is especially anticipated to arrive at a for the most part normal month-to-month furthest reaches of $6.09, while the coin will exchange between a sort of limit of $6.71 and an in every practical sense, least of $5.86. UNISWAP price prediction. Throughout recent months, UNISWAP has been exchanging inside a diving channel. In the present exchanging meeting, the costs in every way that really matters have dropped by more than 8% in an unpretentious manner. This is in spite of the costs being in a 4 continuous day sideways market. The costs have likewise, as of late, contacted the upper pattern line of the plummeting channel. Consequently, utilizing the diagram underneath, I really anticipate that the cost should drop, with a high probability of hitting the essentially lower pattern line of the channel. Almost certainly, the costs will tumble from the ongoing cost of $5 and exchange beneath the $4 cost level, which is very critical. Notwithstanding, assuming that the costs exchange above $5.5 toward the finish of the present exchanging meeting, then, at that point, my investigation will basically